Boise, Idaho, a vibrant city with a growing population, is no stranger to the impact that various factors can have on vehicles. From hailstorms and minor accidents to door dings in crowded parking lots, dents and damages are a common occurrence for vehicle owners in the area. High demand for paintless dent repair, due to challenges in car aesthetics and value. Here are some reasons why you should choose paintless dent repair. 1. Retaining the original paint, skilled technicians can meticulously massage and manipulate the dent from the backside of the panel, leaving the factory paint intact. 2. Cost effectiveness, PDR eliminates the need for costly paintwork, resulting in a more budget-friendly repair option for vehicle owners. 3. Time efficiency, PDR can be completed in a matter of hours, allowing car owners to get back on the road quickly. 4. Eco-friendly solution, paintless dent repair stands out as an environmentally friendly alternative to traditional repair methods, as it avoids the use of paint or harsh chemicals, thereby reducing the carbon footprint associated with vehicle repairs. In conclusion, understanding the impact that various factors can have on vehicles in Boise, Idaho, underscores the necessity for paintless dent repair (PDR) services. PDR is the best solution for vehicle owners who want eco-friendly, cost-effective, and seamless dent repairs. Using this new technique keeps cars in Boise looking great and maintaining their value, even if there are accidents on the roads. If you need paintless dent repair done, call Gem State PDR on 2082-515-338. That's 2082-515-338.